Narcissists, they rape your soul every single day. They're monsters in human flesh. Narcissists are people that when you meet them, they put on a show, a mask. And this mask lasts 3 months, some people 4 months, some people 6 months. And they love bomb you so much that you go crazy for them, and then they drop you. And they drop you exactly when they know that you're so attached to them. You think everything is your fault. And when they abuse you, whether it's physical, mental, verbal abuse, they make you feel like you deserve it. So you actually stay and you think it's normal because I deserve it. And they are master manipulators. It's not that it's coincidence. They're artists at what they do. And all narcissists have the same steps, which is crazy, because narcissism is not classified as a disease. If it's not classified as a disease, why do they all do the same thing? If you survive a narcissistic relationship, you dodged a bullet, congratulations, but they're not easy to be with. They're crazy.